Hey everyone! Linking a PDF directly into a Google Sheets cell is the best way to keep your documentation, like invoices, contracts, or reports, organized alongside your data. Since Google Sheets doesn't embed files like a folder does, we use a link-based approach to keep things clean. Step 1. The Cloud Foundation. We are starting in Google Drive. We do this because Google Sheets needs the file to live in the cloud ecosystem before it can recognize it in a cell. Upload your PDF to your drive. Once it's there, right-click the file, select Share, and then Copy Link. Even though we'll use a shortcut in the next step, copying the link once ensures your clipboard has the direct path, and it prompts the Share settings to activate so others can view it. Step 2. The Smart Chip shortcut. Now we are heading to your Google Sheet. This is where the magic happens using the @ symbol, which triggers a search across your entire Google workspace. Click the cell where you want the PDF to appear and type the @ symbol followed immediately by the name of your PDF file. A drop-down menu will appear with Smart Chips. Select your file from the list. Instead of a messy URL, the cell will now show a neat pill-shaped chip with the file name and the PDF icon. Hovering over it will show a small preview of the document. Step 3. Verification. We are finishing by hovering and testing. We do this to ensure the link is active and the permissions are set correctly. Hover your mouse over the new Smart Chip. If the preview pops up, you're good to go. If you share this sheet with others, Google will usually prompt you to give access to those users if the PDF doesn't already have shared permissions. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.